What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Hour, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Hour. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some smothered mushroom hamburgers. And you're saying, Black Hour, smothered hamburger, what'd you do? Sneak in the pasture and sneak up on a cow? No, I went to the stove and got this for show. So, I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, first thing you got to do, going to make a hamburger smothered, got to get your hamburger. And today, I'm just going to get some old ground beef. Do it like I do. You can get a ground beef and a pork mix. You can make it all fancy, but you know me, buddy. I got time for that shit. So, just some regular old ground beef. Roll it up into a ball, but don't throw it across the room because, who was it? Bobby Brady. Remember, Mom always said, don't play ball in the house. And then they broke that shit, and they was all in trouble, boy. So, don't do that. We're going to roll it up and patty it out. I want to make my patties nice and thin because you're going to see that they're going to shrink in the pan when they get in the pan. So, like Honey, I Shrunk the Kids. Now, let's go ahead and get some salt. We're going to put those burgers in there. Let's put just a little bit of salt and just a little bit of that black pepper too, just for flavor. Make it good, just a little bit, because we don't want to overpower the soup du jour that's coming next door. So, we've got our burgers in there. Go ahead and flip them a couple times. Make them good. And then, once you get your burger cooked, this is where we're going to add that mushroom. I almost said onion. It's the mushroom soup. And that's the thing about this. That mushroom, when you eat it, it's not going to make you see all kinds of crazy things like the front of a Lisa Frank folder. It's not going to get you crazy, sir. That's the good mushroom soup. And that's the thing about this. It's kind of going to create a, like a gravy. It's just an easier way to do it. Comes out of the can. Cheapo, goodo, so let's go. Pour that soup right over the top of that thing, baby. Gonna make you sing, baby, when you have a bite, because it's gonna be good tonight. And that's the other thing about this. Quick, easy, delicious. Everybody's like, oh, you make a little mashed potatoes with it, man. It's like Sunday dinner on a weeknight, but it's real easy to do. You can do it real quick, and you can get back to watching, I don't know, Home Improvement and smoking your doop or something. We're gonna have a sight and have a big old bite of this smothered burger tonight. What do you think, buddy boy? Because I think it's done and ready, and I'm ready too. So. Alright, baby, the time has come. The smothered burger is done. And I'm about to smother myself, about to have the first bite for Big Papa. So, cut me off a piece of that thing, baby. And it smells so good, too. Oh, buddy. Oh, my God. This is what it is. I got a hamburger steak, a little gravy, a little mashed potato. Tie it all together. Oh, that mashed potato ties it all together. And you say, Black Hour, how'd you make the mashed potato? It's on the back of the box. They beat me to it. I can't tell you that recipe. So, I want to thank you for stopping by for another recipe on another Cooking with Black Hour. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, well, excuse me. I got to have a little more of this because it's damn good. I hear the dog coming too. She wants some of it, so I better get it fast.